Exercise 7.2, question number 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275, sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So here we see that the cost price of book is given to us, that is rupees 275. Loss is given in form of percentage. So loss percent given here is 15%. Now we need to find out how much does she sell it for. So the selling price is asked here. Now we know that loss or profit is calculated on CP and CP is given to us. So the loss here is 15%. So loss will be 15% of cost price, that is 15 by 100 into cost price is 275. Now what we can do is we can cancel it with 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 0. And again we can cancel with 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So loss we can write down 55 into 3 by 4, that is 165 by 4 is the loss. Now we need to find out selling price. Now we know that here, because selling price is less than cost price, so selling price would be is equals to cost price minus loss. Now loss is in fractions, so first we will convert it into the decimal. So 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, point 4, it is a 10, so 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So what do we get is 41.25 rupees as the loss. So CP we can find out as SP we can find out as CP 275 minus 41.25. So we will show the subtraction also. 275.00 minus 41.25. So after subtraction we will get 75 here and 4 minus 1, that is 3, 7 minus 4, that is 3, and a 2 here. So 233.75, this much rupees is the selling price of the book.